In this video, we're gonna focus on term of binomial expansion and exam series questions. But before we solve the question here, let's take a note here. Please write. The term of binomial expansion can be calculated from the formula T of k plus 1 equal to n bogus brackets n of k bogus brackets a raised to power of n minus k b raised to power of k. So this is the formula we use in calculating the term of binomial expansion. What we have to do here is to know the terms here. That is what k stands for, what n stands for, what a and what b stands for. So remember, in our previous video, I told you guys that whenever we have an expression that is in captive with a higher power, we expand that using binomial theory or binomial expansion. So if I have something like this, as plus 1 in captive with a power here, so it means that this part here is the term for A, this part here is for B. Please take notes. So if you are given a binomial expansion to find the term, this part here will stand for A part, this part here will stand for B part. Of course, this here is our n. So the next here is to know what k stands for. Please take note. K depends on the term. So if the term is fifth, reduce the term by 1, you have your k. So the value of k can be gotten from 10 minus 1. So reduce the term by 1, you have the value of your k. Let's solve a question here to understand this statement and formula perfectly. Question 1, please. Let's solve this question here, class. They said, what is the fourth term in the expression 2s minus 1 raised to the power of 6? These options are given to us here. Okay, let's solve this question here, class. Solution first. All right, class, we are asked to find the term that is the term of this binomial expansion here. So to solve for the term of any binomial expansion, the formula to use is this. That is T of k plus 1 is equal to n of k bogus bracket here, a raised to the power of n minus k, b raised to the power of k, which is the same thing as this bogus bracket here represent combination n combination k. So this can also be interpreted as n combination k of a raised to the power of n minus k, b raised to the power of k. Please take note. So from the binomial expression given to us here, we can easily know the parameters. We can easily get our parameters. Okay. Now they said fourth term. So in the question there, they said fourth term. The term there is fourth. The term is fourth. So to calculate our k will be equal to t minus 1. Reduce the term by 1. I will have this to be 4 minus 1, which is what? 3. Please take note. So the next here is to get n. The n there is the power. And the power given to us there is 6. That is n is equal to 6. So in the binomial expression given to us there, the first part indicates the a part. The other part indicates the b part. So our a part is 2s. Our b part is minus 1. Please, not 1. Whenever you have negative sign, you take both the value and the sign. Please take note. So we have gotten our k, which is 3. We have gotten our n, which is 6. We have gotten our a, which is 2s. And we have gotten our b, which is minus 1. So now let's replace this in the formula given to us here. When you replace this here, we have this to the class t of 3 plus 1, please take note, is equal to 6 combination 3 of 2s raised to the power of n minus k, and n is 6 minus k is 3 into minus 1 all raised to the power of 3. So class, how do we get 6 combination 3? You punch your calculator, you punch something like this: 6 shift division 3. 6 shift division, you press 3. So it will look like this: 6 combination 3. So you can press equal to have the answer. Okay, what is the answer in your calculator, please? The answer there is 20. 6 combination 3 gave us 20 into 2s raised to the power of 3 minus 1 raised to the power of 3. So class, please stop writing, please. Now this 2s raised to the power of 3 simply means that this 2 is being affected with this power, and this s is being affected with this power here. So this is minus 1 here raised to the power of 3. Minus 1 raised to the power of 3 will be minus 1. If I have something like this, class, minus 1 raised to the power of 4 here, so this result here will be plus. This negative will be cancelled since the power here is even power. So I will have 1 raised to the power of 4 here. So if I have something like this, minus 2 raised to the power of 6 here, so this 6 here is an even power here. So this will be cancelled. This negative will be cancelled to be plus of 2 raised to the power of 6. Please take note. So the same thing here, if I have minus 1 raised to the power of 3 here, this is odd power here. So this negative will appear, the result will appear to be negative, and this will be 1 raised to the power of 3. Please take note. And 1 raised to the power of 3 here is 3. Please take note of that. So if you apply the same concept here in this part here, our result here will be minus 1. So I will have this to the class 20. I will have this to be 20 into 2 raised to the power of 3 s raised to the power of 3 into minus 1. So the result here is going to be 20 times 8 s raised to the power of 3 into minus 1. So when you multiply this, I will have it to be minus 160 s raised to the power of 3. This is my answer here. Please take notes. Okay, let's solve the next question here. Question 2, please. Let's solve question 2 here. They said the 25th term of the expression of 4s minus y raised to the power of 26 is. So these are the options here. So I don't know if you guys can solve this question. If you cannot solve the question, please let me know in the comment section. If you can also solve it, please let me also get the answer in the comment section. Okay, thank you.